Hello, in today's video I'll be showing how to add tax information on Google AdSense for all YouTube content creators. So without any further ado, let's get started. You might have received an email from YouTube asking you to submit your tax information in Google AdSense before 31st May 2021. Otherwise, there will be a deduction of more than 24% of your total earning for US taxes. Now head towards Google AdSense and sign in with your email address. Once you have done that, just go to Payments. Then you will see some notifications about submitting your tax information. Now click on Manage Tax Info. Then again click on Add Tax Info. Now enter your AdSense account and password. Then you will be directed to this page. Here, select the first option if your account is personal account and select the second one if it is business account. And for my case, it is personal account and click Next. And over here, if you are not a resident of United States, select No and click on Next. Next step is an important one. As you have selected individual, you have to go for first option, and if your account is business account, you have to choose second one. As in my case, it is an individual account, so I will go for first option. Now over here, enter your valid Google AdSense name, and this option is only for business account and just leave it. Now over here, select the country in which you are living in at present. And over here you have to enter your PAN card number. And make sure that you have given the same PAN card number details of the name which you have provided in the Google AdSense. Then click on Next. Now over here, enter the same permanent address which you have already given for verifying your address for receiving the payment. After filling your details, give a tick mark over here and click Next. In tax treaty, you have to choose Yes and give a tick mark and select the country in which you are living. Below that, select the options which I am going to show you now. After checking everything right, click on Next and continue. Now you can see the tax document form on the right side. And now give a tick mark near I confirm and click Next. Now over here, enter your full legal name which is provided on your PAN card. And choose Yes and click on Next. And now this is the last and final important step. So over here, choose No and give a tick mark. Now in here, select the first option if you haven't received any of the payment from Google AdSense, and select the second option if you have already get paid. As in my case, I have already received payment from Google AdSense to my bank account, so I am choosing second option. Then give a tick mark and click on Submit. And finally, you can see the US tax info is approved. So that's all about today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like. If you are new here, just consider to subscribe. And due to my board exams, I am not able to upload weekly videos, but I will be coming with more power after June 1st. So I will be seeing you in my latest video. Till then, peace.